Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It is Sunday, so you know that means it's time for a weigh-in. I'm also going to go over how my week went, what led to the results that I got this week, and just some of the amazing things that happened because my family's Christmas was this week, New Year's was this week, and I got some really cool gifts from you guys. So stay tuned. Alright, so first of all, you probably noticed the camera's at a different angle. Part of what I got for Christmas was a gift card for a new desk from my parents. And it is an awesome one. I end up getting an L-shaped desk. And the only issue is it is a little bit smaller than what I'm used to width-wise. So I can't fit everything facing this way like I normally do. So it is at an angle in the corner because that's just how it fits. But at this angle, you do get, it does wobble a little bit more than my other one. I gotta be careful with my arms. You do get some other insight into my room, I guess. You get to see all of the autographs and photographs that I've gotten with various celebrities from Comic-Cons, and you get to see my medal, which is cool. And my, whoa, there we go. More of my bed. But yeah, so either way, I'm not mad at this angle, so it's fine. The lighting is a little bit different, but you know. What are you going to do? Anyway, so last Sunday was my family's Christmas. We got together. We had a great time. And I was really, really happy because by the end of it, we did say that we want to get together once a month. My dad, my stepmom, my sister and her kids, and possibly her husband, we all, well, definitely her husband, all live in St. Louis. But we don't always get together. My sister does get together with my parents better, but I kind of don't. I've been slacking off. So we made a commitment, a promise to each other that once a month on a Sunday we will get together. This month will be easy because my sister's birthday is on the 18th, so we're going to get together on that Sunday. So that was really, really cool. We had a great time, a lot of fun. The kids were a little bit crazy, but as they do, it happens. They're 7 and 3. I'm that guy. I don't know anybody's ages. But yes, so it was a great time. Everybody had fun, had some amazing food, and with it being Sunday, it was cool because I eat my weeklies and my dailies on Sundays. A lot of times, including that Sunday, I do eat more than my normal weeklies. I go overboard. And yeah, so that's how I started my week. It was good. We also had New Year's this week. And with New Year's, you know, it's always different. I end up not going out. This was the first time in my adult life that I did not go out on a New Year's Eve. It was kind of weird, but kind of amazing. I had asked you guys in my Facebook group, I'm like, what are you guys doing? And a lot of you guys were staying in and playing it safe, avoiding the drunks, avoiding the craziness. I did the same thing. A customer had given me a bottle of wine. So I cracked that open, I played some video games with a friend, and I actually fell asleep at like 11:45. Didn't even save for the New Year's. The one bad thing, you know, I got a bottle of wine, and she also gave me a big old box of Godiva chocolates. And I know for 3 pieces, it was 4 points. I counted how many I had during the day, and then I told my roommate and his boyfriend, eat the rest. I woke up in the middle of the night. They had not eaten the rest, and then I did. I don't know how many I end up having in the middle of the night because it's not like individual servings where I can count wrappers or something like that. It was a handful at least. I know I grabbed and I was like, whatever, it's a holiday. I don't know. Whatever your brain does to justify in the middle of the night, that's what happened New Year's Eve. And then New Year's Day was also a little bit of a tricky day because I miscalculated some stuff. I made my macaroni and cheese and I added broccoli and cauliflower and it was so good. I calculated the points right. I miscalculated how long it would last me. I was like, I'm going to have that. It'll be fine. And then I ate all of it, and which was within my daily points, but that left me early in the day with, you know, my points done. It was like 5. And for me, that's early. I know some people probably stop eating at 5 or 6. I typically eat until like 10. But I pushed through. I did well. I went a couple points over for the day. But, yeah. And the last thing that I have been doing for weight loss, you guys know I've been adding in exercise. So at least I did pretty well on that. I slacked off on that too, though, guys. Thursday, I did not walk. Friday, I was going to, but then this desk was arriving, and UPS said it's going to arrive between 12:45 and 4:45. I'm like, perfect. It'll arrive. I'll put it in here, and then I'll go for my walk. And then it kept getting delayed and delayed. And I don't live in the worst neighborhood, but I don't live in the best neighborhood where I want to just leave a giant box sitting on my porch. So I waited, and then it arrived like 8 o'clock. So I didn't walk that day either. And then yesterday, Saturday, didn't feel like it. I think 2 days off of walking in a row made me slack off. So the last 3 days I did not walk, but I did walk 3 days this week, and my goal is 5. So not horrible for it being that type of week. But I was also super busy at work. Every day before I left work, I had over 10,000 steps. And I'm making sure while I am home that I am not just sitting here the whole time. Plus putting this thing together. And guys, like, I'm going to get into the weigh-in in just a second. But seriously, guys. So the old desk, it was a giant heavy oak, I don't know wood, but heavy wooden desk. And they used so many screws to put this thing together. I was trying to take it apart because it's so big. You can't maneuver with it, and it's so heavy. I definitely couldn't maneuver alone. So first issue was they were the screws with the square holes. I don't have anything that can accommodate that. So I don't know what this is. So luckily my downstairs neighbor had a drill bit that will fit it. So cool. Got it. Start getting in there, unscrewing things. The thing won't come apart. Like, I took out every screw I can see. What is keeping this together? Behind the drawers. And the drawers are attached. They're not like drawers that you can pop out. Because this is an old desk. They didn't do that back in the day. So they were attached. And there's a dozen more screws in there holding this thing together. And so I end up having to pull and punch and kick to get those drawers out and just busted them apart. I was kind of hoping I would set in the alley and somebody could reuse the desk. Not when I got done with it. But I got it out of here, and then I was able to put this together. And of course, I don't think I've ever talked on here about me putting things together. I do love to put stuff together. That is like the one guy trait I have. But I always mess up. I always put things backwards. So with this desk, one side is long, and then there's a short shelf. So like that. So I was going in, I need the long side here because this wall is shorter right here because there's this thing that sticks out. And actually now looking both ways would have fit, but whatever. So I get it almost all the way done, and I realize I had it reversed so that the long side was there and the short side was there. Had to take it apart, put it back together. And my thighs are actually sore from whatever weird positions I got in to put that together. So maybe that helped me out. Maybe that counts as some calories on one of the days that I didn't work, because it was a lot of work doing that. Plus, we're talking like a desk that, like, the top alone weighed like 50 pounds. So anyway, you guys don't know. I don't know if you care about any of that stuff. Let's get into my actual weigh-in, because it's been 9 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just... Bleh. Okay, so weigh-in numbers. Week 31. Boom. Okay, so if you don't know, my starting weight was 376.8. As of today, I weigh 328. So this week I lost 3.6 pounds for a total of 48.8. I just told you how my week went. I was fully expecting it not to go wonderful. I was pretty confident I was going to have a loss. But 3.6 pounds, I walked less than usual. I went a little over on points on one day. One day I actually left like 20 points. It was not a perfectly planned week. It did not go how things I thought would go. But it paid off anyway. I still was able to lose this weight. I do think the extra exercise definitely does help. Even though I didn't hit my goal of 5 days of exercise, I think that helps, because I think if that wasn't on there, the way the calories went this week, I might not have been as successful. But I mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I walked 2.2 miles every single day. And plus, all the extra walking at work and just moving around in general, that I really, 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 really think helps. Because, logically, it doesn't make a ton of sense that I would have lost 3.6 pounds this week. But I'm not complaining. I am very happy about that. So, on to my mini goals. For those of you that are new, I do mini goals because I need to lose 110 more pounds, 112 more pounds. So that can be overwhelming. So I set myself mini goals, 20-pound intervals. That way it's not something that I'm going to achieve super quick, but it's not overwhelming. So my next mini goal is to get to 316.8 pounds. And since I am at 328, that means I have 11.2 pounds to go. And then another goal that I have for myself is Dragon Con, which is a nerd convention. Like how I have these photos back here with different celebrities, they go to these type of things. And I was just watching, where is she? The top corner right there. That is Felicia Day. I love her. I adore her. She usually goes. She's going to be announcing Monday where she's going this year. So, or at least she's going to be finalizing Monday, and I don't know what she's announcing. I'm really hoping she goes to Dragon Con. But anyway, big old nerd fest, Comic-Con, Dragon Con, it's amazing. I want to lose weight for that because it is a lot of walking, a lot of moving, a lot of people, 85,000 people. So if I take up less space, it's easier to maneuver around. So I'm shooting for 263. I set that goal so that it would be 2 pounds a week. And obviously not every week is down 2 pounds. Obviously this week I lost more. Last week I gained 0.2. It varies. But so far I'm pretty much on track. So I have 65 more pounds to go for that. So yeah, that I'm completely happy with. It was a good week. Weight wise, like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on. Oh! I almost forgot. I am so sorry. Sorry, it's my brain. This is why I record early, guys, because now it's like 11:30, and I'm all over the place. So this week I got some stuff from you guys. I got from Ellen. Well, first let me show you the card. It is, I believe that is Ellen. She sent me a card, and I'm just going to read it. Light and love and many blessings in the upcoming year. May the legend of the Dreamcatcher bring lots of luck. Namaste, Ellen. So she sent me, there we go. She sent me a Dreamcatcher. I think it's a Christmas ornament, but I think I'm going to put it in my car. I think it is really, really cool. Although I guess, does it work if it's not near your bed? Ellen, comment, let me know. But if not, I'm putting it in my car. I think it is really cute. And it even says, if you guys can see, it tells the legend of the Dreamcatcher back there. I've known it, so if you don't, pause where I just showed that and read. The other thing that I got that was so sweet, Jen, who on here is, Suki Loses It. Suki is her cat, I learned. She sent me, a card, but she's saying, in lieu of a holiday letter, please enjoy this CD of my favorite music of 2019. Wishing you and yours a wonderful 2020. May the coming decade bring you nothing but joy and precious memories. Warmly, Jen, a.k.a. Suki Loses It. The CD's in my car. I have been listening to it. I adore the CD. You have great taste. Some of the songs I actually don't even know what they're called or who does them, but I like them. Song number 10 on there, song number 17, and I think it was song number 6. Those are all 3 songs that I did not know before listening to the CD that you made me, Jen. But I like them. I should probably message you I think you're on Instagram. So I should probably message you and ask you who they are, or use my phone to find out. But yeah, thank you so much for that. That was so sweet. She took the time. Obviously, I'm not playing it, but she took the time and put 20 songs that were her favorite songs on a CD and mailed them to me. and that was super, super sweet. And she's got good taste. Like, I approve. But yeah. So anyway, that was my week. That's how things gone. I've been going for 15 minutes, so I need to get off here. I've got some stuff to do around the house. I need to clean. I need to do laundry. I need to do something to that bathtub in there. It's a lot going on. So yeah, so let me know how your guys' week's going. Comment below. Tell me about your journeys. You know I love hearing about it. I love supporting you guys, just like I love getting the support from you guys. And please like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the little bell so you know when I post videos. Typically, it's Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, but sometimes I'm not always going according to schedule. So anyway, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.